Yes, people, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah, Angola mother. Yeah, people, you see, right now we're gonna talk about some little things. And trust me, some real things happening in this world. Daily Report News says right here as we are here, it said Angola mother and deathbed says her 12-year-old son is offspring of human chimpanzee lover affair. So in other words, this woman saying that her son is the product of an affair she have with a chimpanzee monkey. Yes, I'll fix that curtain, yeah. Yeah, so right there now, you see what me talk about? The woman go and mess with the monkey. His generic makeup of 12-year-old Angolan boy is now disputed by experts after his deceased mother rather allegedly told him he is the offspring of a human chimpanzee love affair. In other words, as I said before, this boy mother seems to be having sexual intercourse with the chimpanzee, and right now, look there, you're gonna see his picture right here. Yeah. So you tell me if you think that this boy is really offspring of a monkey. The story continues by saying the national headline and unleash it toward Angus. His name is Augustus the Bamboo, and he's 12-year-old who live with his uncle and aunt in the capital of Luanda, that is in Angola. Now, them say the sexual relationship between human and chimpanzee are fairly common in that region of the world. But this is the first time a pregnancy is officially reported, said Dr. Antonio Mides of the hospital. So people usually have sexual intercourse with these kind of animals over that place, it appears, based on what we are hearing. They said this discovery could even challenge the basic foundation of modern science, as even commented on the current Minister of Science and Technology. Wow. Then that's a woman, hold on, that's a woman desperately want man to grind them that then go and sleep with monkey. The woman was working in a zoo, and what she do, she spend time go sleep with the monkey or chimpanzee, whichever way you want to call it, see a monkey family. End up get pregnant for the child. On her deathbed now, she decide to confess and tell the world, say her son is a product of a relationship or a union between she and a chimpanzee. What make it worse right here, zookeeper arrests after trying to molest 500-pound male gorilla. So this man is a batty man and an animal batty him love. But when you look on him, the way him nose and him mouth said, it would be very hard for your man to really look at him twice. So I don't know. What really going on in this world though? What really going on? They've kept the zookeeper and arrest him after trying to molest a male gorilla. That's my batty animal man. The man will love animal bottom. Dirty boy. I tell you, he not even want a female animal. He find some passion into the bottom of the male animal. What a low life. Nevertheless, people, give me a like, give me a share, give me some subscribe. And as we get them breaking news, we will get it to you. Trust me. This is St. Armin. I'm out. BSB to the world. Talk to me in the comment section. Give me some talk. Look at the boy picture. Tell me what you think. And let us talk about this thing. Because, trust me, it's unfortunate to see how a woman on her deathbed confessing that her son, 12-year-old son, where she should love and adore and revere, is the product of a chimpanzee relationship. No. Anyway, goodbye.